Hello, Scratchers! And today we are back with episode 5 of the Top Down Minecraft series. Hope you're excited for this one. This one is going to be a banner. Scratchy Cat, you want to say hello? Oh yeah, hello to you too. Okay, so this is where we left off in episode 4. Now I made a copy of this project so I did not lose any of my important progress. So, this episode, we are going to do jumping, fix the jumper to make it a bit better, and we're going to make a hotbar and have a diamond sword and be able to kill the pig and lots of important stuff. So, I'm going to explain how the jumping thing works.
So this is the top-down view of the player. This is second person of the player. This does not look good because it is jumping, but when we make it bigger it looks better, so let's do that.
So this is what your game will look like at the end of the tutorial. It's pretty fun to play. Yeah, so it's pretty fun to play. Just circling around here. I had to do some of the FOV but I'm zooming in. I'm gonna zoom out. I'm zooming in right now. This is full zoom. But you know I want to zoom out. Zoom back in. So this is a great tutorial. So let's begin. So that explains how it works, but you know, let's actually do that. So, go into your player sprite. You want to go down and find where we have our normal space click block. You want to get these change Y's by 60 and change Y by -60 out of that block. You only want to keep this wait 1 seconds block. After you do that, you want to go to your player tick block. And unfortunately, we will have to do this. Unfortunately, we will have to move this set size to 12 and put it somewhere in some free space. Connect these blocks back up to the when I see player tick broadcast block. Go back to your when start click forever if keep says clears wait 1 second. And instead of change Y's, we actually want a set size block. So set size to, so I'm going to set size to 100, 150, and then I'm going to set size back to 100. So we should have this. So it looks more closer. Now, it doesn't look really top down, but that's because our player isn't top down. So if this was top down, it would probably look a lot better. Like, when I mean by a lot, I mean by a lot. But that's some base the jumping done. Also, I forgot to mention, what was that I was going to say? We're also going to make a diamond sword. The diamond sword costume, sorry, not the code in it. Just the costume for now. And we'll make the code later. You want to also go to the FPS. I just realized that the S key is actually a movement key in our movement scripts in the player sprite, so we have to change this to another key unless you want it to move. So let's go R. R, and then R. So as we can see, this is a really good toggle switch. Our FPS counter looks to be going really good. Now we can actually make our new sprite for the swords. So you want to click Paint Sprite. So you want to click Paint Sprite, and we're going to make this swords. Name it swords. Now you can paint your own sword, but I already have a sword in my library, so I'll just go and get that. Where is it? I think that one there, and we have our diamond sword. So what you're gonna do now, if I can just get that out of the way, that would be really thankful. So actually, I hope you're enjoying this video too, you know. So, in fact, I don't know what I'm doing there. You want to name this Diamond Sword, because this is where all the swords are going to be, okay? I'm just going to make sure it's in the center. Once you've done all of that, we're just going to do some basic setup code for the Diamond Sword sprite. So, when going flagged clicked, set costume, for now Diamond Sword. And you want to have some more setup code. Forever, this is pretty easy. Forever, from the motion category, get a go to random position block and change this random position to our player sprite. So now you should see it's for our sprite. Now first of all, this sword is way too big. Second of all, it doesn't really look attached to the player. So let's first fix the bigness. So it's pretty easy to fix this. Just go to looks, set size, and you just want to set it to maybe a smaller number. I'm going to go 50. So that's a lot better, but it's centered in our player. We kind of want it to, wait. We kind of want it to be like to the side. So, you want to get a change X block from the motion category. Let's say change X by 10. Okay, that's not good enough. How about change by 20? This has to be somewhat good. Okay. 40.
What are you doing?
So change X by 40, and that actually should be good. I like that. And I think you guys will like that too. It's actually kind of connected to a hair now, which I like that very lot. So this is set it up. I'm going to make a new sprite, and we're going to move on to the hotbar. Again, this is just the costumes and setup code, not the actual code to it. I will want to center our woo. Let me zoom out. No, that should be good. I want to scroll down to where we have this. This is where I want this. So I want the outer layer to be black. So go here. You want to go there. Now I'm going to make a little outline with this. So this is going to be inside. Now the next one is going to be outline, but I don't know. I'm just going to make it on here so I can copy in there, and it'll be easier to code up. So I'm going to do the outline in the inside sprite. We'll move it to another sprite later. You want to turn the saturation all the way to 0, but turn the brightness not fully white. I'm just going to go like a greyish white. That should be good. Remember, we like this transparent, so it might look not the best. So I am slowly but surely making the outline for this. I'm just going to duplicate the side here. Just going to speed this up for you guys. So I have done this hotbar, not the best, can do way better than that. But I'm just going to change the side to 50. That's way too small, 70 actually. Would fit it way more aesthetically. Okay, so now you want to group this together. You want to press the group button and you want to move it upwards to the center. Then you'll press ungroup on the group spot. You want to take out the middle. You want to go here, select the whole of the outline. I'll press copy, make a new spot. That's where you want to paste it. So make sure it's at the center. We'll name this outline, costume 1 to outline. And now we can remove this whole outline sprite and we'll get our inside back to the middle. So now we have the outline and the inside. So you want to get set up this fin here. So it's pretty easy to set up like the other one. We just will need a couple of clones and that should be good. Now I want this sprite to go there. So that's here. And then I want to basically, we just want to make our set size block to 70. Okay. So now, also guys, we'll fix. Also guys, I show you. I think I show you the finished project at the start. So this is what we have here. We want to squish our costume to fill the inside costume. But we want to create a clone of myself. I'm going to create a clone of myself. And when I start as a clone block. So when I start as a clone, I want to switch my costume to the outline sprite. The exact same position as it should be all round centered. And we have this here. It's pretty, but I can't see the whole thing. That's a pretty easy fix. Just go to looks, get a go front layer block, put that in the one I say front block. And now we have it here. But let's make this transparent. So again, from the looks category, get our set block here. You want to change this color to ghost. And let's set it goes to 65. Why not? So when I press play, it's just that tiny bit transparent, and I think that gives it a bit more aesthetic scene. So I think we have done the main part of this tutorial, but I am going to add a list. So but I will add a list. We'll be using this later. Call it hotbar. Okay, so just hide that list for now. And yeah. So now we're going to actually add the code to the sword, the hotbar, and all the other stuff. So let's do the coding for these blocks. So the first thing we want to do is get this diamond sword all coded up. So scroll down. you want to find the sword's sprite. Click on it, or back in this section. So actually, we want to get a if statement here. Now, so basically, if we press 1, we want to add it to our list. Yeah, so this should work. So if we do not, let's go to operators. If we do not, go to back to variables, scroll down. If hotbar contains diamond sword, so this only runs if it's not, so we should still have it here. So as you see as well, because it does not contain our diamond sword yet. So we kind of want it to actually start off here. So yeah. And temporary, disable it there. I think we put it there. So we want it to start in the hotbar actually. So you want it to originally, from the motion, get a go to block. Make sure it's here, and you'll want to get a set size from the looks category. We want to set the size to just a bit smaller, 40. Oh yeah. We already have a set size, 20. Yeah, that's better. So as you can see, it's there as well. So I think we can. So now go here, and when one key is pressed, so when one key is pressed, you basically want it to add it. So you want to add diamond sword. So this is done. So actually we don't need this knot, we just do here. So now let's see. So yeah, okay, so let's see. Let's see if this works. 1. Yes, it does. We can re-go it and see that again. See it again. Sometimes it doesn't go where we want it to. I'm deleting everything off, but no. Should be deleting. Delete here. So you want to delete all of hotbar actually. I wonder what happened there. Let's publish this bug. Then, sometimes the bug's out, and now we have our diamond sword. Now, let's make it so it goes back to our player. So, go back to swords. You want to get another when space click block. You want to change this to 2. And you basically want to delete one of hotbar. So, we can press 1. So 1 in alphabet, the first letter of the alphabet, 1 means the first number, and A is the first letter, so let's match it up here. So buggy, scratch, 1, and A. Oh yeah. If hotbar does not, contain this, put another if there is just duplicated this, and then you want it to go to this position. Okay, so that's done. So let's see. 1, okay, everything working, and A, yep, I like that. Now we can switch between a sword and stuff. Now let's make this pig actually die when we touch it. So go into the pig. You want to... So it's touch it up player, but that's pretty easy. All you want to do, get this touch and play out, and instead get another touch and block, and turn this touch into our swords. So this means all our swords, that's why it's good. So this is good to go. I'm just going to test that out. So if we go here, yeah, the pig's kind of glitching into a hotbar. That will be fixed after playtest. I can't see our health. Okay, maybe I'm just gonna check the health real quick. Health. Yep, it went down for sure. Okay, so let's make this pig's AI a bit better because it's kind of trash. Go to the pig costume. So this is its motion block. How about we instead make it? Now it would probably be nice if it starts. So where's 140? 140 minus 20. Somewhere over here. So that's good. I want to glide to here. So that's good. We don't want to wait once. We want to wait 1 second. So let me just run this block. So it does that. We don't want this. Okay, this is what makes us grind back. So we want it to wait 1 second. We want to turn it, so go to motion, turn auto clockwise, 50, let's see. One. It's actually turned by this block. Wait, can I just run that? Oops. Run that. I want that. Oh yeah, I know what's happening. Point direction 90. We want to go detach that, go there. Point direction 90. Run that all back and click. So obviously this needs to be way bigger interval. glide. Way too much. I will just go immediately over 100 degrees. Right, let's see how this works. Yep, that should work. We want it to go up now. So another, wait 1 second block. So once it does that, we want it to move up. So glide all the way up here. So those are our new chords, get that out. Go to motions, and here is our new coordinates. So if we just test that out now, so now it's going to reach the top. So click and click. It turns and it goes back up. Now we want this to go to sideways, so we want this to go sideways. We want it to glide to here. Wait 1 second, you could turn this if you want to, but I'm just going to do this. Get a glide 1 second block, go to here. Wait 1 second. And you basically want to glide to those coordinates. So glide, another glide block, glide to 140, and minus 120. So let's see that in action. Put that back in the forever loop. There we go, try that out. Turn. Goes up, goes that way, goes back down, turns, goes back up. Okay, so this is really funny, but it is working now. So if I get one, we can go around and we can kill it. So this is really cool. We will, I think, want to end now because that was pretty long. So next episode, we're actually going to cover how to make our play a bit better. Everything's just a bit better. It's going to be like a polishing thing. So make sure you do subscribe, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. So please subscribe to the channel. So I guess I will see you next time, Scratchers. Bye bye. Make sure you save too. Sorry about that. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time, Scratchers. Goodbye, Scratchers.